Yeah, so I'm Andy Newsom. I was giving a Roscoe lecture this evening about how we can open up access to the universe to everybody. It was a mixture of terrifying and fantastic. It's such an amazing venue and there's such an appreciative audience. It was a wonderful evening.
So today I was hosting the Q&A as part of the Roscoe lectures, and it was amazing. I absolutely loved it. It was booked out. It was nice to see so many bums on seats, and we had Andrew, who was talking about astronomy, engagement, education, and it was right up my street because I don't tell many people this, but I love engineering, I love astronomy, I love zodiac signs, I'm all about the universe, and but also I worked on Stargazing Live, so I was able to connect with them as well, so I absolutely loved it. It was my very first Roscoe lecture, and actually I want to come to a few more, so I absolutely loved it. My favourite question, well there's loads of questions, but my favourite question was about extraterrestrials. Is that, because we all ask that, we all think it, but not many of us ask it, and to have someone like Andrew there to actually put it into science and mathematics. Andrew has got such an easy way of explaining astronomy and science, and I wish I had someone like him growing up as my teacher, as my science teacher, because I definitely would have taken up astronomy. But that was my favourite question about extraterrestrials.
And a wonderful question at the end, which was basically asking me, what do I want to achieve before I die? And that really gets you thinking about where you've got to. Maybe look back that I have achieved some things, but also where I want to go to in the future. So that was a good one.